let's talk about integrating with Woocommerce. If you already have a Woocommerce account, select Connect Existing Store. If you don't have one yet, select Build New Store. Next, from the list of TopDawg integrations, choose Woocommerce. If you'd like to connect an existing store, select Connect Store. Otherwise, choose Open New Store. If you chose the option to open a new store, follow the on-screen instructions to open a Woocommerce account and complete the integration. Once you've opened a new store, come back to your TopDawg retailer profile to connect it. Once you click Connect Store, you'll see a pop-up to enter your Woocommerce store domain and your store name. Note that your store name is for display purposes only in your TopDawg account. Navigate back to your store in a new tab and copy the first part of the URL from the dashboard up to .com. Return to your TopDawg screen and paste the copied URL into the store domain. Then enter the store name and select Connect Store. Once prompted, select Approve to allow TopDawg to connect to your Woocommerce store. That's it. Your Woocommerce store is now connected and you're ready to start dropshipping products. Upgrade your plan whenever you're ready to begin syncing products and listing them using Woocommerce.
Connect, simplify, scale. TopDawg, leading the pack in dropshipping.